How you guys doing today? I go by the name of Rob, and I'm here to do a presentation of a simple crockpot meal that I just learned and also discovered, and that is a meal that's called chicken and stuffing. So I'm looking forward to being in this fun adventure. One thing about the crockpot is so convenient. I remember when my mother used to be here, she used to always use that for her meals, and it's great for the fall and winter months as well. So if you're, you know, even on cold days, you can just throw a hot meal right in the crock pot. So we're gonna get our head to this meal, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so these are our basic ingredients for the chicken and stuffing meal right here. So basically, you got your chicken broth right here, cream of mushroom soup, a thing of sour cream. We got our chicken, of course, a can of green beans, and we're going to use olive oil spray for the crock pot. That way it doesn't stick and so forth. And we also got our onion, and I have my butter as well. All right, so now we're basically just going to spray the pan with some olive oil cooking spray here. And this method right here, it prevents the chicken and stuffing from sticking inside of the crock pot later. All right, so basically what I'm going to do now is just place the chicken on the bottom like so. Now what I like about this chicken here, I chose chicken tenders. You can either use chicken breasts, but I preferably like my chicken, kind of cut or, or things of that nature. So we're gonna finish placing this on the bottom of the crock pot right here. And I'll see you guys in the next scene. All right, so now we're gonna season the chicken. I'm gonna be using basic pink Himalayan salt. Got a little pepper right here. A little bit of garlic salt, onion powder, and also garlic powder. And I got a little bit of onion and herb dash, and also a little bit of onion and paprika. I wanted to see if I can also get this meal a little kick as well. So I'm gonna go in and start seasoning the chicken here. So also what's recommended for your basic seasoning, you want to use Italian seasoning. I've learned for this meal, but these are the only spices and herbs that I have for now. So I'm just going to work with what I have, and I believe it's still going to have like a similar taste to the Italian seasoning and so forth. All right, so now we're going to add our onion and minced garlic. I chose to put garlic in mine. I like garlic in mostly all my food. It just gives the food a little, kick, and also depending on the meal. All right, so now we got our mix put together. So basically I used 1 can of cream of chicken, also 1 cup of chicken broth, and I have 1 cup of sour cream, all in this mix right here. And we're gonna basically put it in the chicken now. Cover that up like so, make sure it's evenly spread. So now this is one of the last steps here. I'm using the stove top stuffing mix and savory herbs. I believe they have other flavors, but I wanted to give this a try because I believe it'll give it a nice flavor and also a little kick. All right, so we're going to add this right on top of the mix right here and also the chicken. Now make sure you spread it nice and even. That way you can give it all a nice and even coat. Alright, so we have everything in, guys. So I basically put all the mix together. The chicken's on the bottom still. And we're going to put this on for about 6 hours. And I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so now that that's going, we got a can of green beans right here. Just getting it started in the pan. Now I like to cook mine in a cast iron pan. Some people like to put them in like a boiler and so forth. But to each his own. We're just going to season the green beans now. Got some garlic powder right here. Season it like so. So basically what I did, I put olive oil in first and give the beans a great chance to simmer. And I'll see you guys in a minute. See. This is the finished results of the chicken and stuffing right here. So it's been about 6 hours. And man, the house smells amazing. It reminds me of my mother's house. I remember I used to go there all the time and just smelling the great food aroma of what she cooked and so forth. So I'm just going to give this just a little mix. And as you can see, there's a little crust on the side, but don't worry about that. Alright guys, so this is the final result of the chicken and stuffing prepared. And as you can see, I have my green beans done and also served as a side of this great meal right here. Alright guys, so that about sums up this video right here. It was a great time to make this wonderful meal. Very simple recipe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow along with me. In the near future, I'll be sharing more social media platforms pertaining to the meals that I cook. So this is basically an introduction video on my YouTube channel that I'm just creating right here. And this is, I'm going to be basically calling it RJ Mills, which is the initials of my name. So I'm looking forward to making more great content for you guys in the near later future. So I'll see you guys along the journey of life later. You guys take care and enjoy the rest of your day.